So, you want to run TikTok ads? I've tried running TikTok ads for multiple brands in the last few years. In this video, I'll share my experience with TikTok ads and some very interesting insights. I think it will be very useful for you if you're trying to figure out if you should run TikTok ads or not. I decided to test TikTok ads as an alternative to Facebook ads, and truth be told, TikTok ads and Facebook ads have a lot in common. The platforms have pretty much the same interface and the way targeting works is pretty similar. Still, making TikTok ads convert, that's a completely different story. In 2021, TikTok was the most popular social media in the world. Many marketers tried to run TikTok ads and be early comers to TikTok. There is this belief that if you start using an advertising platform before anybody else, the advertising cost is much lower and you end up making a bunch of money. Well, that was not the case for me, unfortunately. I've watched many TikTok videos and there were people who claimed to be making millions of dollars, but mainly they were selling low ticket physical products. I'm selling mainly info products and online courses, but I thought, okay, I'll give TikTok ads a shot. It might be dirt cheap, who knows? So I set my very first campaigns. It was very easy to get started because TikTok's advertising platform looks and feels exactly the same as Facebook. It was pretty easy to set up the campaigns and the conversion tracking. I didn't have any issues with ad rejections and all my ads got approved. After running the ads for a few weeks, I decided to compare the results and the advertising cost to Facebook. I spent around $2,000 on TikTok, but I had 0 conversions. On Facebook, I had many sales for pretty much the same ad spend, and the cost on Facebook was much lower. In my experience, Facebook ads were cheaper and more effective. I decided to dig into the data of TikTok and figure out who is on the platform. I discovered that the audience on TikTok mainly consists of people under 34. Users on TikTok also use 8 other social media platforms. Around 85% of users on TikTok are on Facebook and Instagram, and around 80% use YouTube. TikTok is mainly popular among Gen Z, and around 60% of the users on TikTok are in the USA, and around 60% of the users on TikTok in the USA are female. I found this research that claimed that only 4.3% of internet users said that TikTok is their favorite social media platform, and in my opinion that's pretty low. Maybe people understand the toxicity of social media. And here comes the super interesting insight. Most people use TikTok to find entertainment compared to YouTube, where around 25 to 30% of people are there to learn and have educational purposes. So if you're running ads for a very painful problem, TikTok won't be a good fit for you, because let's say you have a problem, your washing machine is acting weird and you want to find a way to fix it yourself before calling a mechanic. You would go to YouTube and type how to fix my washing machine. You won't go to TikTok. So if I'm a mechanic, I won't place any ads on TikTok. I'll place my ads on the YouTube videos that show you how to fix your washing machine, because chances are you won't be able to fix your washing machine yourself. Let's be honest with ourselves here. By the way, if you're looking for a great advertising platform, I suggest you give YouTube ads a shot. I've created a free case study where I'll show you how I generate $22K per month with YouTube ads for a product that was banned on Facebook. Now let's get back to TikTok ads. I know that many fellow marketers and business owners feel the same way about TikTok ads because TikTok uses a completely different format. If you want to run TikTok ads, you need to create TikTok videos, and videos are not easy to create. It is much easier on Facebook, where you can just use a picture and some copy, but on TikTok you need to create a vertical video, you need to place captions on the video in order to be effective. I read a statistic that videos on TikTok with captions are around 50% more engaging. Remember, when people use TikTok, they only use their mobile phones. They're watching TikToks in noisy environment and the sound on their phone is muted or disabled. That's why they read the captions. Marketers and business owners who manage to create engaging TikToks will crush it because all social media platforms are transitioning towards vertical video content. Instagram and Facebook launched Reels. Facebook launched Shorts. So regardless of the platform you use right now, sooner or later you need to make TikToks. Also, another thing I noticed on TikTok, in order to make the ads work, you need a really good creative. And by really good creative, I don't mean something that looks super fancy, but something that's engaging. User-generated content works best on TikTok, so do this. Create your ads so they look like user-generated content and try adding captions. We see that short vertical videos are growing in popularity because they're very engaging and easy to consume. You can go to your TikTok feed and see the recommended videos. That would be the gold standard for a good ad on TikTok. I started creating TikToks and short vertical videos for my business. You can check them out here on YouTube, or you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram. But in order to win on TikTok, you need to have really good creative, and if you have a cool, fun, entertaining product, you might give YouTube ads a shot. Right now, I'm not running ads on TikTok. My main advertising platform is YouTube, and I'm getting great results there. If you want to learn more about my YouTube ads process, check out the free case study. Link is in the description below, where I'll show you how I generate 22K per month for a product that was banned on Facebook. My name is Nico. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon.